Hi to the camera.
Hi, Emma.
It's finally time to tell you guys the truth of what's happened. What have we been working on?
Daddy's trailer.
What we've been working on Daddy's trailer.
No, I thought the doors were gonna be shut.
Hey, don't touch. Wow, she is screaming. When I started content creation, I was obsessed and good at and enjoyed doing two things. One was racing, and I always wanted to become a race car driver and race wheel to wheel. And two was detailing. Over the years, man, every single car that I've purchased, I have loved taking the challenge of a poorly taken care of car. Cars that have been used and abused in paint, and I love correcting them and restoring them. And if you guys have followed from the beginning, you know that I've worked with a lot of brands. I even helped start and develop an influencer program, and I got a lot of familiarity with the detailing world, the detailing space, and the product space. As some of you guys might know, I ended up just getting dropped out of the blue. That left me a bit bitter. That was one of the things that I really held closely to me and I really cherished. But at the end of that, I realized how much I had done, how much I had learned of all the years I've spent polishing, wet sanding, waxing, clay barring, ceramic coating. I've gained a ton of product know-how. And I've gained a huge advantage that a lot of people don't have, and that's just unbiased experience with a ton of products. So what we've been working on for over a year now is our very own liquid car care company. I'd like to introduce to you all Black Tie Detailing. This has been a huge labor child and just absolute unit that we have poured ourselves into over the last year. When I stopped YouTube about a year ago, it was my oldest daughter's birthday, and I realized that what I was doing, I didn't enjoy anymore. And so I had to take a step back and figure out what was important to me. And with that, we sold our large house with our large garage. We moved into a small rental home. I've been working on my back, on my cars in a 2-car garage, barely. And it's sort of like really completely changed my whole perspective on everything that I've done. If you guys have watched my Instagram, I haven't posted about it a ton, but I've also, aside from working on our products, I've started wheel-to-wheel racing, and I've actually done pretty well. It's been a huge shift. I am a completely different person than I was a year ago, and I needed this year to focus on myself, to be with my family, but to begin the thing that has been tugging at me for over 12 years now, especially with influencers, the influencer space, and so many people pushing products. Detailing is overcomplicated. There's too much guesswork, and it's a lot of diluted, crappy products that are marked up just because your favorite influencer is talking about it. Because you shouldn't need a PhD, or you shouldn't need to guess why your product is or is not working, just to have your car shine. Now, I have designed this. I have designed every single product for you. And the reason I say for you and every single person watching this is because it is designed for the detailer who is obsessed and who wants the best product out there for the money. The exact same product is also designed for the person that just wants to keep their car clean and doesn't care to learn about how to polish, clay, wax, ceramic coat. We take the guesswork out of it. We leave you with the easiest description of how to use it and proof that it has worked. Detailing should have always been easy. And a lot of companies make it not that. It's not a cash grab and it's not a gimmick. This is a company that I want to develop and legitimately make the best hands down car care products that money can buy on the market. And the only things that you see for sale right now on our website are for sale because they are the best version of whatever I have used in my life. And if there's stuff you're wanting, we are developing it at the moment. We have our own chemists here in the US, and it's not live yet because it's either not perfect, we're still just sorting out small things, or it's not the absolute best version of what I've used before. All of our products I have tested side by side with very high-end brands and then your lower-end brands that you see in your parts stores. The whole process, like, I have just done my best not to placebo myself. And so I put, our degreaser against very expensive degreasers. I put our tire shine against expensive and lower-end tire shines. Wheel cleaner. This is the best wheel cleaner I've ever used in my life. And that's the reason why there's a wheel cleaner for sale on the site. I'm gonna briefly go over all the products that I'm insanely proud of. I've tested these again. I've had multiple variants of all of these and had tons of tweaks for the chemists and have come to my favorite version of all of them for the ones you see here. So the first product is going to be our dust destroying wheel cleaner. This was my absolute favorite. We had a few different versions of this, and I landed on this one that is iron agitating. Obviously, use it at your discretion, but it's safe with paint, powder coat, raw metal. We've used it on polished. So our wheel cleaner, absolutely insane. Definitely recommend it. Our tire shine. This is a solvent-based tire shine, so those of you boys that like water-based, we have a water-based formula ready to go. If you guys like having to shine your stuff once a minute to keep it shiny, then a lot of what we've been doing lately for product testing is torture testing, essentially. I use this on my truck. I've used it on my drift cars. I've used it on my race cars. We've used stuff like this, my ceramic spray, the wash and wax. We've used the degreaser on the rush car that I've been racing in absolute torrential downpour. I've used the tire shine on my truck and done 1,000-mile trips with it. This keeps your tires water resistant, not over shiny, but glazed and pretty for a very long time. It's the most impressive product that I've ever used, and it's why we're selling it. One of the most slept on products in the detailing industry is a degreaser. I never realized, honestly, how important it was to have a detailer's level of degreaser around your house. So it's good to use the green and the purple stuff. That's stuff that's really cheap, inexpensive, and it's good for cleaning floors and stuff like that. But a good degreaser for your car does a bajillion things. It works insanely well as a surface prep or adhesion promoter, if you will. So our quick detailer. This is a really simple product, guys. Quick detailers should do two things: make your car shine and not make your life hard. Here's how simple our stuff is to use. I wanted a box on every single product that told you exactly how to use it and get a professional result out of it. 3 steps: spray, wipe, wipe again. Your mom should be able to pick this product up and clean her van, her Tahoe, whatever it is. Your grandfather, my daughters, even though I don't trust them with chemicals and they should not have chemicals, like, they could use this product, clean a car, and have an insane finish. Quick detailers often leave a lot of smears and smudges, and we worked hard. Oh, also, it smells amazing. All of our products that have a scent to it, we've specifically designed to have a higher end scent. So this smells like cologne. Amazing. We're not babying it anymore, boys. Like, this is the big leagues, and this is a good stuff. So, quick detailer. Absolutely grab some of this. Ceramic spray. I can't talk to you enough about how amazing this is. This is a form of a sealer. Now we're going to be working on a heavier duty ceramic coat, but this is the most amazing product that I have ever gotten my hands on that is a spray on wipe off. You spray this on your clean surface. You can leave it there for about 30 seconds. You leave it there longer, it's better. You wipe it off, and here's a picture of my truck that has had this ceramic sealer on it through 30 to 40 storms, 2,000 to 3,000 miles on the truck, and this is just rain falling down on it in Atlanta. I want your opinions on this. When we finalized this product and we pulled the trigger and said yes, in my mind, this was the most groundbreaking product ever. Like, you can use this on your windshield, your mirrors. I use it on my helmet visors. Completely deflects water. Look at my rush car that used this during a torrential downpour rain race. Look at it after, without touching it. Like, that's just the beading. These products work on vinyl and paint, both similarly, and the same effectiveness. This does not change the gloss or sheen of your wrap if you have a satin. It does make the color deeper if it's like a black, but it does not make it more shiny. That is something I was particular about. tested a ton of surfaces and am very proud of it. 2 more products, wash and wax. This is just, I'm not even gonna talk about it. It's the best. It is, but it's simple. It goes on and comes off really simply, doesn't make a mess, and it just works well. Now, my favorite thing, oddly enough, that we are offering with Black Tie Detailing is something called car cologne. This is our first scent. And guys, do not use more than 1 spray in your car. This stuff is strong because we don't over dilute or dilute our products at all. Spray this 1 time in your car and you'll have the best smelling car for a long time. This is our signature scent right off the rip, but we're gonna have a lot more coming. So whether you're a detailer or a dummy or in between, I want you guys to try and I want you guys to review the product. Obviously, I want you guys to buy my products. I'd be a stupid business person to not say, hey, go to my website right now and support us. And I want you guys to let me know what you think, because I have, again, put a lot of time and effort into this, and I've tested rigorously in every single condition I can think of. It's affordable enough for every single one of you guys that own a car watching this video to grab something and test it for yourself. We all like clean cars, and if you're watching this right now and you don't like your car being clean, then I don't know why you're even watching this. Guys, I'm here for the long haul, and I needed something that was me, that I loved. And so my family and I, we've poured ourselves into this over the past year, and I'm super excited to see where it goes, because we also just have so many products in development that are better than literally anything I've ever used. Our polish, we have some interior cleaners, other products that are for moms and dads and families, like stay-at-home moms, like stuff that anybody can use. Our goal is to hit every market and show you guys that there should be no guesswork, and detailing should have always been this easy. So that's our whole mission, guys. Welcome to the Black Tie Detailing Club, where detailing is made easy. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I will tell you, detailing should have always been this easy. I would appreciate if you guys went to the description, clicked the link that I have for you. For the first time, I'm actually asking it for myself and not supporting another brand. Not only if you want to support me, but if you want hands down the best automotive detailing products, click the link I got for you. Support us, sure, but you're doing yourself a favor. It's BLK detailing.com. Join our mailing list. We're going to have new products constantly. We're going to have bundles come out, seasonal things, working on a full arsenal, full assortment of some crazy stuff right now. But we would appreciate you guys to support us at this very beginning stage, because it's been scary for us, and it's been the biggest unknown of our lives hopping into this. I'm not going to take advantage of you guys. I'm going to give you guys the best product out there. I want you guys to try it for yourselves, and I want you guys to tell me what you think. If you have any recommendations, shoot a comment, leave us an email, leave a review on the site, whatever. Try it for yourself. It's good stuff. Guys, it's so important. Even if it takes time, and even if you have to lose everything, our house, most of our cars, but I've gained myself, and I gained a relationship with Jesus back, and that is more important than everything. But because I just let go, had faith, put my head down, and spent a year saying, what do I do? What do I love? Here we are. So I love you guys. We'd appreciate your support. Head to blacktiedetailing.com and grab yourself some stuff, especially while it's on discount. Everything's 32 ounces right now. We don't have a lot of variety or anything like that, but it's all good stuff. It'll last you a while being 32 ounces. So keep that in mind when you look at the price. You get a lot of product for it. So let me know what you think, guys. I love you all. And guess what? I'll see you soon. Sooner than you think this time.